Welcome to your Profitable Law Firm podcast. I'm Kelly Brubaker, your dedicated host, passionate about empowering law firm owners. Let's dive into the hidden strategies that lead to overflowing profits, scaled growth, and thriving lives. This is where overwhelm transforms into confidence, enabling you to create and enjoy your dream firm and your dream life. While I've spoken about this topic before, I had high hopes that it would have been eliminated by now. I do understand the ultimate goal behind it, but I don't think that it's going to be effective. And there are other ways already in place that accomplish this intent. So, what are we talking about today? The Corporate Transparency Act and beneficial ownership information reporting. So, what is the Corporate Transparency Act? It's abbreviated as CTA. It's a law that was passed by Congress in 2021. It's part of a bigger effort to stop the bad guys from using fake companies to hide illegal money or activities. The CTA says that most companies in the US need to tell the government who really owns or controls them. So the CTA became law on January 1st of 2021, but the rules for reporting company ownership information didn't start right away. The reporting provision became effective on January 1st of 2024. So the report that needs to be filed is abbreviated as BOI. BOI stands for Beneficial Ownership Information Reporting. BOI reporting is a big part of the CTA. The BOI report is how companies will tell the government about their real owners and who controls them. This helps stop people from using fake companies to do illegal things. It has the potential to be a one-time filing. There's the initial filing, and then an updated BOI report only needs to be filed if there are any changes to the initial information reported. Check out my blog post. I'll leave a link in the show notes below, and that's a good summary of reporting requirements. So who does this affect? Well, unfortunately, most small business owners will have to deal with BOI, and it comes with big fines if you don't follow the rules. So here's an update as of September of 2024. There's two things to update you on. First, there's been a few different challenges as to whether the law is even allowed by the Constitution. We are just in a holding pattern to have these cases settled. And second, there are actually several lawmakers who are asking if we can delay BOI reporting or make it simpler. So what's the problem? So there's several problems with the BOI report. The first is that it's complicated. Even the words used in the law are hard to understand. Second, a lot of small business owners don't even know about it yet. And third, there's tough punishments if you don't do it right. It's up to $10,000 in fines and 2 years in jail. So how many businesses have filed their BOI so far? Well, out of 32 million businesses in the US, only about 2 million have filed their BOI. That's less than 10%. So why aren't they filing it? Well, businesses that existed prior to January 1st of 2024 have until January 1st of 2025 to file. So many are just waiting. There's another reason that many people aren't filing it is because they just don't even know about it. Some businesses are aware about the reporting requirements, but they're not sure how to file their BOI. So what's being done about it? FinCEN, which stands for Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, is the department overseeing this process. FinCEN is starting to teach people about BOI. They've updated their website with more information, and they're holding meetings to better explain BOI requirements. So what should you do? If you own a business, you should learn about BOI. You might need to file by January 1st of 2025, so don't wait to the last minute. If you need help, start with your trusted professional team, but be prepared that some accountants are unable to file a BOI report for their clients due to constraints of their professional liability insurance carrier. And some legal circles have concluded that advising clients on BOI is a practice of law. So what's next? Well, we're hoping the government will give us more time or make BOI clearer. But for now, we need to get ready to follow the rules. Remember, BOI isn't just a one time thing. You'll have to keep it updated if things change in your business. It can be a lot of work, but it's important to do it right to avoid those big fines. Question for you. Are you a law firm owner looking to boost your profits? I mean, you started your firm with the goal of making money, right? Well, let's make sure you're on the right track. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the game for years, there's always room for improvement. Join the Your Profitable Law Firm community. This community is designed to help you run your law firm more profitably. Now, we're not reinventing the wheel here. These strategies have been tried and tested by thousands of law firms over decades. But what sets us apart? Well, we break down these proven ideas into practical, actionable steps that you can implement right away. So here's how it works. Each month, we focus on one specific strategy. Think of it as a bite sized approach to optimizing your business. These are the same types of strategies that high price management consultants would recommend, but without the hefty invoice. Plus, we'll help you maximize revenue from each client and uncover the not so secret key to greater efficiency. Imagine your law firm where profits flow effortlessly, where you're getting the most out of your staff and technology. Whether you want a boutique lifestyle business or you have dreams of scaling up, the choice is yours. So why wait? Let's turn your law firm into a profit powerhouse. I'll leave a link in the show notes below on how you can join the community today. If you have any questions about today's episode, please let me know by commenting below. If you know someone who might need to hear this information, please share this episode with them. Be sure to follow and subscribe to get notifications for future episodes. Did you enjoy this episode? Please consider leaving a review. And before I go, remember, profit is something you intentionally plan for in the beginning. It's not a potential bonus at the end of the year. Thanks and have a great day.